Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use some custom CSS to create a very unique text animation on your Squarespace website. What we're going to do is create a typing text animation, so it looks like the text that's being displayed on your site is literally being typed out as the page loads. Now, the code we're using today is actually pretty simple. We're just going to add a code block and then some custom CSS to change the style of the font that is being displayed as it's being typed. So all the codes I'm using today are listed in the description below, but let's hop into my demo site so I can show you exactly how to install this on your own Squarespace website. So here we are in my demo site, and I'll scroll down here. You'll see step one is to add this bit of text in a code block. So I'm just going to copy that right there from my page. I'll hop into edit mode, and I'll scroll down here to this section. This is where we're going to add the code. Now I am doing this in my 7.1 demo site, but it works in any version of Squarespace. All you need to do is add a code block like that. And then here, we'll paste the code. Now this text right here where it says, this is being typed right on the page, change that to whatever you want to be typed on this page. That's the actual text that's going to be displayed with this cool effect, okay? Awesome, I'll select apply, and we'll go ahead and select save, and it's time for step number 2, adding the custom code. So this code right here, again listed in the description below, I'm going to copy this whole thing right here, and I'm going to navigate to design, and then scrolling down to custom CSS at the bottom. That's where we're going to paste this code. I'm just going to press Control V on my keyboard to paste it right there, and check it out. Our text is being typed right there on the screen. Now you'll notice we have the text itself and then this little blinking cursor effect, which I personally like to show. You don't have to do the cursor if you don't want to, but I'll show you how to customize it just in case you do. So scrolling up here in the very beginning here, notice it says font size 38px. That's the size of the font that's being displayed as it's being typed. I can change that to maybe 35 if I want it to be a little smaller. I can change it to 40 if I want it to be bigger. Whatever you're comfortable with your own website, that's how you adjust the font size. Now right after that, I have border right, 2px, solid, and then this hex color code here. I can change that to 5px if I want that border to be a little bit thicker. I can also change the color here. Let's say I want it to be purple. I'll adjust it there in the code, and then a little bit farther at the very last line here, we need to adjust it again. And I'll type the word purple one more time. There we go. Now it's going to be that dark purple color. The reason why we have it at the bottom there as well is to add that blinking animation, okay? So those are the two parts of the code that you're going to want to change to make it unique for your own website. The font size and then the width and or color of that border. You can also do other things like change the font family or the font weight or even the font color. Any type of font code you can use in CSS, just add it between those first brackets in the CSS code for this tutorial. And that's it for this one. A nice quick code for a really unique effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something awesome. And most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. If you like this tutorial, you'll love my CSS cheat sheet. With over 30 pages of pro tips and code snippets specific for Squarespace, you can customize your site way beyond your design menu. Download your copy today at insidethesquare.co/CSS. That's insidethesquare.co/CSS.